Hello everyone, so here is your 2020 Mercedes AMG GTR. It has some authentic Mercedes grille with front view camera along with AMG badge and Mercedes logo on it. This car comes with 3 LED headlight with eyebrow like daytime running light. It has 2 side vents with front extended splitter. This car has 577 horsepower with 516 pound-feet of torque. It does 0 to 60 in 3.6 seconds. We have got carbon fiber at the bottom on the side and mirror caps. We have best spec of wheel ever, that is 18-inch AMG wheels. This car has long front hood. Speaking of rear, you have big spoiler with LED tail lights. At above number plate you have rear view camera. Below which there is exhaust pipe. It also has rear diffuser with boot space from capacity of 350 liters to 461 liters. That is not small for car of this size. This is the beautiful interior of this car. It has Mercedes performance steering wheel with different control. It has 12.5-inch infotainment system. Looking at center console, they have removed touch pads. You have also 2 cup holders in center console with carbon fiber lid on it. This is the door panel of this car with carbon fiber trim on it. Launch control hits, all lights become flashy and the dial also lights up at that certain RPM. Below AC vents you have traction control knob. In order to traction control knob to actually work and to get it light up, you have to turn traction control off. So when you turn it off, you can still turn it on by rotating the knob by the way to right all. You can also customize 9 different mode in between, but they are not drift mode, but they are grip modes. You have different mode, that is comfort, sport, sport plus race and individual. Race mode, which is obviously everyone's preference, but individual mode even better because race mode still has its automatic transmission. So you can use paddle, but it will kicks you off back to automatic. So individual you can customize to make it manual. So there are different ways to change your drive mode. Pushing this LED button is different than last generation. You can also change your suspension and exhaust from steering wheel. Now we have rotary wheel that we can click to change modes and clicking goes into individual. This also has AMG dynamics, so this is actually another level of stability control. So it has basic, advanced, pro and master, and those are tied to stability control. But also the drive modes, it's still a lag tied in with your sleep angle, your drifting and how much traction you're gonna get. But traction is different like I said because there is also a knob. We have adaptive suspension setting, that is comfort, sport and sport plus. So these are the few glossy finished LED buttons and on center console with carbon fiber lid on cup holder. You have also few different button in highly finished aluminum for your climate control. We have high resolution screen, but we can't say hey Mercedes. We have tune mix, we have got radio station, and then we got Apple CarPlay that goes across the whole screen. Then we have Android Auto. We only have front camera and reverse camera. We don't have 360-degree camera with good resolution. We have got updated gauges for different drive mode, and we have got super sport gauge where track goes around and gear is in the middle and speedo at the bottom, but there is no heads-up display. We have AMG bucket seats with AMG badge. The seat control setting are not on the door. For once they are on the seat. Now moving on to the new AMG Black Series. So this is the new AMG Black Series. This is now AMG 6th model to wear that same Black Series badge based on AMG GT. It looks way more aggressive than the regular GT. The front grille is absolutely massive and it get lot more air intake, filling air into engine, brake and radiator. It has aggressive aerodynamic line. We have mean side look for this car with carbon fiber door splitter, carbon fiber rear bumper, carbon fiber mirror cap, carbon fiber front splitter, carbon fiber rear gynomer's wing. The main reason to use this much carbon fiber is to make car more lighter for its better performance. We have got 20-inch rear tire with 19-inch in front. We have massive carbon fiber air vents on the hood that passes the air from front rail to the A pillar and to the rear wing. We have got carbon fiber engine cover that diverts the air into the turbos. The shape of the engine cover regulates the airflow towards the turbos. The AMG has given its new name and now it's called M178 LS2. Changes include flat plane crank instead of cross plane one like regular AMG. Basically this means the part of the crank the piston are attached to are separated by 180 degree instead of 90 degree. This means engine doesn't produce low down torque but it makes more top end power. This Black Series also has bigger compressor wheels and its turbos than standard GT, and it gets a larger intercooler, new exhaust manifold and new camshaft. To all this help to produce 730 horsepower and 800 Newton meter of torque. It is the most powerful V8 engine that AMG has ever put into road cars. The new AMG GT Black Series doesn't just get lots of bonkers wings and splitter to look cool. You can manually adjust the angle of front splitter from street setting to more aggressive race angle. This splitter even lower itself at high speed to produce even more downforce to help you stick to the road in fast corners. The rear wing is also adjustable and this time it could be done manually or electronically. You can tilt the angle of the whole wing if you want, but there is also center section that can lift itself automatically by up to 20 degrees while driving. All this aero work together to produce 400 kg of downforce at 155 miles per hour. Because of how much downforce the rear wing has, it needs some direct mounted to chassis component for bootleg to sit down actually hold the car in place. To save some weight, the door panel are made from dynamic. We have got AMG. We have got AMG logo with orange perforation and orange contrast stitching. Things like door pull for saving some weight with no door pockets. We have got AMG performance steering wheel like the facelift GT. We have got digital dashboard cluster and larger screen in center, which gives you great AMG track pace to monitor track and lap times. Yes, same traction control knob. This is the center console with LED buttons and carbon fiber. Here they have removed a dial and replaced it with touchpad. You have pretty decent storage in center console. We have bucket seat with 4-point harnesses with orange stitching. These are also only available in track packages with titanium roll bar. So this was my all review on AMG GTR and GT Black Series, and thank you.